Consciousness is the phenomenon that encompasses an individual's awareness of themselves and their environment, involving both subjective experiences and the capacity to perceive and interpret sensory information. It is the foundation of what it means to be sentient, allowing for introspection, decision-making, and the ability to respond to external stimuli. Consciousness is not merely being awake or alert, it is the intricate interplay of various cognitive processes that give rise to a cohesive experience of reality. At its core, consciousness can be thought of as the integration of numerous mental processes, which include perception, memory, and thought. Perception allows individuals to interpret sensory inputs, translating them into meaningful experiences that inform their understanding of the world. Memory serves as the storage of past experiences, enabling one to maintain a continuous sense of identity and reference previous knowledge when interacting with new situations. Thought, meanwhile, involves the active processing and manipulation of information, allowing for problem-solving, planning, and abstract reasoning. The complexity of consciousness has led to various theories attempting to explain its nature and origins. Some theories, like dualism, suggest that consciousness arises from a non-physical mind distinct from the brain, positing a separation between the mental and the material. Others, such as materialism, argue that consciousness is entirely a product of physical processes within the brain, with mental states being reducible to neural activity. These theories highlight the ongoing debate about whether consciousness can be fully explained through science or if it requires consideration of metaphysical elements. One prominent approach to understanding consciousness is the integrated information theory, IIT, which proposes that consciousness corresponds to the capacity of a system to integrate information. According to IIT, the more integrated and differentiated the information processed by a system, the more conscious it is. This theory attempts to quantify consciousness and provides a framework for understanding its presence in different entities, from humans to potentially complex artificial systems. Another influential theory is the global workspace theory, GWT, which likens consciousness to a spotlight of attention that illuminates specific information within the brain's global workspace. This workspace is where different processes, such as perception, memory, and action, converge to create a unified conscious experience. GWT suggests that consciousness arises when information is broadcasted across the brain, making it accessible to different cognitive functions and allowing for coordinated responses to the environment. The brain is central to the generation of consciousness, with certain regions playing crucial roles in maintaining conscious states. The prefrontal cortex, for example, is involved in higher-order cognitive functions, such as decision-making, self-reflection, and social interactions. The thalamus acts as a relay station, channeling sensory information to different parts of the brain for processing and integration. The interactions between these regions, mediated by neural networks and neurotransmitters, create the dynamic processes that give rise to the continuous stream of conscious experience. Despite advancements in neuroscience, the hard problem of consciousness remains a significant challenge. This problem refers to the difficulty of explaining how subjective experiences, or qualia, arise from physical brain processes. While we can map neural correlates of consciousness and identify brain regions involved in specific conscious experiences, the leap from understanding brain activity to explaining how it generates the rich inner life of individuals is still a major scientific and philosophical puzzle. The hard problem underscores the limits of current knowledge and fuels ongoing debates about the nature of consciousness. Consciousness is also deeply intertwined with self-identity, which is the recognition of oneself as a distinct individual with a continuous existence over time. This self-awareness enables introspection, allowing one to reflect on personal thoughts, feelings, and experiences. It is through this reflective capacity that individuals develop a sense of personal narrative, which helps maintain a stable identity despite the passage of time and changing circumstances. The continuity of self-identity is crucial for moral responsibility, as it underpins the belief that an individual remains the same person throughout their life. Altered states of consciousness offer a glimpse into the plasticity of the conscious experience, revealing how it can be shaped by various internal and external factors. Sleep, for instance, is a natural state of altered consciousness, where the brain cycles through different stages, including REM sleep, characterized by vivid dreaming. Meditation, on the other hand, can induce states of heightened awareness and focused attention, often described as transcendent or deeply relaxing. Psychoactive substances can drastically alter perception, thought processes, and emotional states, providing further evidence of the brain's role in shaping conscious experiences. The question of consciousness extends beyond humans, raising important considerations about the potential for consciousness in non-human animals and artificial intelligence. Some animals exhibit behaviors that suggest a level of self-awareness, such as recognizing themselves in mirrors or demonstrating complex problem-solving abilities. This has led to debates about the moral status of animals and the ethical implications of how they are treated. In the realm of artificial intelligence, advancements in machine learning and cognitive computing have sparked discussions about the possibility of creating conscious machines, challenging our understanding of what it means to be conscious. The study of consciousness has profound ethical implications, influencing debates on issues ranging from animal rights to medical decision-making. For instance, if certain animals are recognized as conscious beings, it raises questions about their treatment and the rights they should be afforded. In medicine, understanding consciousness is crucial in situations involving patients in vegetative states, where determining the presence of consciousness can guide decisions about life support and end-of-life care. These ethical considerations underscore the importance of consciousness as a concept that extends beyond the individual, shaping societal values and practices. Consciousness, in its full depth and complexity, remains one of the most intriguing and elusive subjects in both science and philosophy. Its study not only seeks to unravel the mysteries of the human mind but also to understand the very essence of what it means to be aware, to think, and to exist. As research continues to advance, the exploration of consciousness will likely yield new insights that challenge our current understanding, pushing the boundaries of knowledge and potentially redefining the nature of reality itself.